In this video, I will be telling you how to fix Roblox not downloading on mobile phone. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is that you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and you have a proper internet connection. Just cross check it. Go ahead and see that if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, and if you are, just make sure that it has an internet access. So once you do that, what you have to do is go to your settings, and in the setting just go to your about phone or your storage. So here make sure that you see if you have enough storage to download a Roblox game. So for that, as you guys can see that I have more than 2 GB free in my mobile phone, so I will be easily able to download the Roblox game. So simply go ahead on the Play Store and go ahead and click on the install button on the Roblox. Once you do that, you will see that your Roblox game will start downloading right after you click on the install button. So once the downloadation will be completed, the game will be installed and that way you'll be able to open it up. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.